data in all fields and click on OK button. So it should navigate to, no, it should display an error message because you entered invalid data, right? No one is correcting me. Why? Not understanding or more understanding is there? You're not getting an error message. Like, please enter valid data. Click OK. Done. Now again plus indicates add test case underscore 1.3 underscore OK button only again. Leave all fields as blank and click on OK button. Leave fields as blank and some fields as some data and only two cases I will write. Some fields as a blank, some fields as data and click on OK button. Here you are saying it should navigate, if it is required field, a message should display. Please enter data. Else should navigate to, it should move on to the next step. Click on OK. That's it. So like this test cases are returned. So once you return the test cases, here details means overview of the project. You are also implementing this overview, whatever you have given earlier for for login application, whatever overview you have given, that overview you are maintaining here. So this is your test cases and save it. And very important point here is you have prepared external test data here. External test data. This test data file you need to attach where in quality center. So click on attachment. Again attachment. Where is QC files test data. And close this one. So this is your overview of the project. Like this in test plan, overview, designing steps for writing test cases, attachment the document, from requirement coverage you are getting the files. Linked defect means here if you click on linked defect, click on this symbol, here you can write the defects. You can write the defect here or directly you are writing, same window will be displayed here. So better I will explain here only. Both are same. Here I will explain not now. Now let's see what we did. Once we return the test cases in this step only, once we return test cases and test data, now we are waiting for build. One fine day we got the build. One fine day we got the build. Now test cases. Fine Iram, take care, no problem. So don't worry Iram, keep on, my classes will be going on. You can come and some other timings also, no issues. Okay, you can take care of your baby. Now test cases. Now test cases. Yeah, no problem dear. One fine day we got the build. Now test cases we need to execute in that build. This process is done in test lab phase. In test lab phase, this process is done. Team, up to now, is it clear? If you want, I'm giving a timeline, just read it. Up to these steps, you read it. All practical you have to use. Options, see it clearly and use it. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, no classes, na weekend as usual. Practice this. Once your review is done, let me know. So, Subha, you don't worry, dear, for this. This is a quality center. You're for automation testing called QTP, okay?
Okay.
Please be on Skype also regularly Monday onwards. If any problem occurs, you can talk to me on Skype also.
Okay, but I had to come to this same link, right?
Yeah, same link.
Okay. Actually, I started to write the test cases with the, about the calculator. So once I'll finish, I'll send to you.
Good, good. You can.
Okay.
Team, once it's done, please let me know so that I can move on to the next step.
Yes, ma'am.
Satish, what about you? Satish, Prerna.
Yes, Jan. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Yes, Vidya.
Fine, dear. We'll go on to the next step now. That is called your test lab. In this phase, we are start executing all the test cases with the help of test data. So here, let's see. Go to your test lab. Same to same here also create the domain and folder structure. For all the steps, same procedure. Then only you can capture from one level to another level. Here, first I'll do these two steps. Test new folder. Click OK. Click on test, new test. Medical, write down, click OK. See, here tree structure of healthcare. So test plan tree will be displayed. Select that option, click on arrow mark. So once we create the project, now once we create the project, now one window with the test plan tree will display. Now in test plan tree, select the project and click on arrow mark. That is called this associating. See, click on arrow mark. All the entities, do you want to admit? Yes. Whatever test cases you have written, it will get added here. All test cases will be added in test lab. All test cases with test data, with data file will be added in this test plan. Now click on run option. One window will display. Click on run option. So one window will display. In that, click on begin run. Begin run. Now all test cases will display. Start executing test cases in build. Start executing the test cases in build. See, click on begin run. This is your test cases with test data file. Double click it, your test data file will be opens. Test data is there. Application is there. Now start executing. Execution process. This execution process already you learned in manual here, but slight change is there. Perform the task on the application which is described in the description column of QC. QC of test cases. Then this is the same step. Observe the actual behavior and observed value compare with expected result. This is expected and this is actual. Expected result. If both are equal, then actual result will be as expected. And status as pass. If both are not equal, status as fail. These steps now I am using. Let's see. First thing, first test case. Enter valid data in all fields, click on OK button. So I have entered valid data. I clicked on OK button. See, instead of navigating, it says incorrect password, please try again. So both are not equal. Then here, not as expected. And status as failed case. That's it. Now second. Enter invalid data and click on OK button. So as you know, 1, 2, 3, 4 is a invalid data. ABCD is a invalid data. Click on OK. It is navigating to the next page. So here as expected. Both are same. Simply you are saying pass. Now third test case.
Vidya, it's wrong. It
Why
should
it's
not
But
wrong?
it
access
should be,
invalid. It should not access
it
invalid
should,
data.
yeah.
Okay. Maybe I did mistake. Yeah. Yeah, it is a failed. It should not navigate, so it is navigating. So good, not as expected.
It should not
Now,
navigate.
yeah, it should not navigate, but it is navigating, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 you have entered. Is it clear? Both now?
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Fine. Now leave all fields as a blank, click on OK button. Yes, I leaved. I clicked. Yeah, because of required it is displaying. That's fine. Leave some fields as a data, some fields as a blank, click on OK button. Yes, message. Again some fields as data, some fields as a blank, click on OK button. Yes, message. This is as expected. So you can make it as a pass and as expected. So two cases are failed. One case is pass. When you entered valid data and when you clicked on OK button, instead of navigating, this message is giving and remaining navigating. This is called execution. Once the execution process is done, click on this end run square box. Click it. With the failed case, execution process is done. Yeah. Once the execution is done, now click on end run. If there is a failed case, we need to enter into defect phase. Once the execution is done, and there is a failed case. That failed case, we need to, we need to send it to developer directly. This process is done in this phase. Defect means deviation from client requirement. In the application. Now let's see. Now let's see the process. Go to defects. Now no need to capture anything, direct defect. Click on defect. So here you are saying OK button. Summary is OK button is not working with valid data. Detected by whom? Detected by Iram as we selected. Severity is high. Tester name. Tester name is Iram. Selected by so and so. Project is so and so. First time it is new. Assigned to whom? Ajmoon is a developer. Priority is so and so. Severity we select, priority will be selected by development team. Now See, reproducible, no. If you say reproducible, no, N means no. Overview of the defect. Okay, button is not working with valid data. Like this you are writing. And subject is so and so. But developer wants in detail information. If you say reproducible, yes means here you are writing steps to reproducible and observed defect. What are all those steps means you are saying open the application. Then enter valid data like Vidya in username field. Then Mercury in password field. Click on OK button. What you observed here, instead of to next page, a message called incorrect password. Select in this way. For more information, see the attached image and see, open the defect. See, observe here, this is the cam symbol that is called snapshot symbol. Select it, maximize, make the window in this way and click on this cam symbol. So it will capture entire image. Click attachment, that's it. So attachment is done. If you click submit button, directly defect will be reached to Ajmon. Click submit, that's it. That's it. Like this, we can send the defects directly to developer. Assign to means developer. This is called your quality center classes. And last option is there, that is called dashboard. We are not at all doing anything here. This is used to observe or a monitor at what time you logged into the quality center, what kind of files you downloaded, what kind of files you uploaded. It will monitor the work of the tester or whoever login into the quality center. That is a dashboard job. Dashboard. It is used by admin department. It is used to monitor all the works done in QC. Means at what time what kind of file will be uploaded and downloaded, etc. will be captured. That's it. Mainly lab is important, defect is important, plan is important. Rest of the things not that much of important. With this, quality center classes is also ended. Now what is our next step is on Monday QTP classes we are going to start. Monday. So how the work is going on in detail Monday. Don't miss the class. Already I checked each and everyone's systems. So if you're having any doubts in QC, now only you can ask me, so that Monday onwards freshly we can start automation testing called QTP, Quick Test Professional.
Vidya,
Mhm.
is it possible to move files from the local machine to the virtual machine?
No
Or
dear,
only
it's
the
not possible.
contents can be copied and pasted onto clipboard and then can share? That is the
No dear,
only way?
yeah. Uh, your virtual machine is same as this like, right?
Right.
In this way, gray color. So it's not possible dear.
Okay. So there is an option called, no,
Yeah, I know that. This, I think you are
that is not
talking about
enabled?
this file virtual machine. All the files has to be transferred. That option you are talking?
Yes, yes.
Could
Actually,
you please share the screen and show me? I did
one.
that process, but it's not done in my system.
Okay.
Just share the screen.
Okay. Are you seeing mine?
Not yet. Yeah, now I can see. Yeah, it's processing now.
Vidya, initially, uh,
Yeah, tell me.
initially, I clicked on the device and then shared clipboard. It was on disabled state, and then I did bidirectional.
Okay.
Then only I was able to create a file in the name of test data, and then I copied the contents
From local system to
from
here?
local system to here. Yes. So this
Okay.
one I copied from local machine to here, and
Okay.
then but the file I created from this virtual machine, this Excel file alone, and then I named it as test data. Like that, I made these three files, and then I copied the contents from the local drive.
Okay.
So that's how I created
Now
it.
calculator exe file is there. Now do the same thing for calculator exe file. Try to do there here. Exe file is there in your local system, right?
Uh, Local machine exe file I don't have.
Calculator, did you return the test cases or not?
I have written the test cases without operating that calculator. That means I don't have that calculator exe file.
Without operating only, we need to write first thing.
Yes, yes,
Uh,
yes.
so did you send the files to me or not?
No, actually.
Not at Vidya. I have written it, but I told
Okay,
you
come.
right. The next day I told
Yeah, yeah.
you
Come to
I have
Skype
some
and
doubt.
message me. Come to Skype and message me. Yeah. So Satish, I'm sending one file to you.
Okay.
Save that file in local system. If it is working, it's good. Go back and show me where it's got saved.
Um,
Minimize this one. Minimize this window also.
okay.
Open Skype and see. Show in folder. Copy.
Okay. You want me to put it in the
No,
desktop? You want me to
no need.
extract?
Copy. Copy.
Yeah, I did that.
Okay, go to Oracle VirtualBox.
Paste
Yeah,
it here.
paste it here. Yeah, it's not possible here. I know that.
Because this one, there is another option, drag and drop option. That is also, that was
Yeah,
disabled
I did
before.
the.
Here I did that.
Yeah, then drag and drop. I did this process. I
No,
drag and drop. I did. Yeah.
this did not work actually. I tried that one this morning also.
Okay. Even I made it drag drop options. I thought
Ah,
you copy paste. Na, maybe it is working. I thought.
yes, yes. For clipboard, that works fine. Creating a new file, copy the contents into the
Yeah, that
clipboard,
is
that
no
works
need to
fine.
give the option, but this option is not working. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. That files has to be downloaded here, so that
Oh. So
we
how
can
can we
do it.
download that one? Do you have any idea? You want me to?
Yeah, I'm going to send the files in Google Drive. Google Drive you need to open in Oracle VirtualBox and you need to download. That is
Oh,
only the
okay,
way.
okay, okay,
Okay,
okay, okay. Yeah.
fine. So
So each
team,
and every
any
time you are copying the contents into the clipboard, that's how you are showing, or
which content I didn't get you?
whenever you're, for example, FRS file you created in the virtual machine. So how
That yeah, copy paste I did.
copy paste? Okay,
Yeah, that will works. But
okay,
files are not transferring.
okay, okay. Got it.
Okay,
Got it.
fine. So with this today we are ending up the session of Quality Center. So Monday QTP classes will be starts. Please don't miss Monday's class. Okay,
Okay.
fine.
Okay, Vidya, can you send the manual notes and that file and
Yeah.
today's QC notes also?
Sure. And a PDF file you asked about the sample file and all. Na,
Yes.
everything I will send today.
Okay.
Okay.
Better
And
immediately I will send you.
okay, Vidya, for calculator, first we have to send you that cases. After that, you will send that program for calculator.
What program? First, did you send the calculator test cases? Tell me.
No, I am asking you for calculator application. First, we have to send you that cases. After that, you will send us that application. For okay,
Yes.
okay, got you.
Okay.
Thank
So
you.
you are talking about the second phase, right? First time you sent us the update for us.
Yeah.
Based on that, all test cases needs to be written, and then we have to send it one more time, right? That's what you're talking about.
Exactly. Yes, dear.
I got you.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. We'll
Okay.
send it.
Okay.
I
Uh, I will
love
send you that file today, and you just take a look at it. And I think there are some errors in that. I was thought of asking you 2, 3 classes ago. You said next day we can do that. But if you can take a look at that file, and if you could suggest
Yeah,
what are
that's
the
fine.
mistakes.
Na? I will look at the file and I'll give
Okay.
the note over there.
Okay, Vidya. Thanks.
Okay. Fine. Today
Vidya,
I'm sending all note.
can we start doing in QC itself, that calculator one?
No, dear, don't do. Because calculator, I need to release the software and all. Na? Software is
Okay.
not going to the work under the quality center. So don't do in quality center. Other
Okay.
application you do, but not quality center. Calculator.
Oh, okay.
Vidya, the rare file which you sent, that is calculator application?
No, dear. That is
That,
for in QTP checkpoints concept is there. There it will useful.
okay.
For QTP, I have to release to all of you before the topic. So I
Uh,
want to see, just I release it to you. Rest of the team, I'll before the topic, I will release, not now.
no, the one which you sent it through Skype, what was that? A
That
rare file?
only I'm telling. That
Oh,
only I'm telling. That is QTP classes related one of the topic called checkpoints. For that some
checkpoints.
softwares I'm using. That software related file it is.
Okay.
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 Hello, Vidya. Actually, I installed the software for QTP automation. So, do you want me to check it now or on Monday?
Monday, dear. Monday I will show you how to open and you can do it by your end, okay?
Okay. Okay.
Fine. Okay?
Okay.
So team, with this today I'm ending up the session. So see you on Monday, continuation class with same link. Okay? Bye-bye. Take care.
Bye.
Bye, Vidya.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.